Language is dying, and the killers are AI and social media, and they are not even hiding it. We used to speak English language, but now we speak emojis and abbreviations. Let's roast this crime scene now. AI writes essays for people who can't even spell essay. Social media inventing new words that sounds like sneeze. AI said, bro, I will summarize. Summarize what? Bro, you never read the full text. And then social media invented emojis and retired the English alphabet. Let's not talk about TikTok, where someone said skibidi and the world was like, yes, here we come. We used to communicate in sentences until social media brought abbreviations. YWYM, IDKFRBET. Well, congratulations, because we are now communicating like an internet password. AI write poems, AI write novels, AI even write excuses for students. Very soon, AI will snatch your girlfriend before you type IDM. Language is collapsing. Letters are tired. Grammars are traumatized. Punctuation, punctuation left the room. Ladies and gentlemen, English is on life support. And if you are behind English on this, subscribe. But if you don't, that means you are against English. And may English have mercy on you.